In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the HubSpot website tracking code. So, you've decided to take your website's analytics to the next level with HubSpot. Fantastic choice. HubSpot's tracking code is a powerful tool to understand your customers' behaviors and optimize their experience on your site. Let's dive in and walk through the steps you need to take to get this set up. First and foremost, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. It's important to ensure that you're accessing all the features available to you. Once you're logged in, take a look at HubSpot's trial guide. This guide is a treasure trove of resources that will support you through the entire process of building forms and other tools necessary for your site's success. It's like having a helpful assistant by your side, offering insights and directions to enhance your journey. With that primer, let's move to your homepage. From here, the next step is to click on Settings. You'll find Settings usually located in the top navigation bar, easy to spot and just a click away. Once you're in the Settings screen, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the page. Here you'll find a list of options, and among them is the Tracking Code section. Go ahead and click on that. Under the Tracking Code section, you will find the essential tracking code you need for your website integration. It's crucial to copy this code accurately. Just highlight the entire code snippet, right-click, and choose Copy, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C if you're on Windows or Command+C if you're on Mac. Now that you have this code copied, it's ready to be placed into your website. Placing the code on your website correctly is integral to ensure everything functions as intended. Generally, you'll want to paste this code in the header section of your website's HTML. This ensures that the tracking starts as soon as your website loads. If you're not familiar with the technical aspects of your website, you might want some assistance from your web developer. Alternatively, most website platforms provide a simple way to add this code to the header through their administrative settings, so it can be a lot easier than it sounds. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully integrated HubSpot's tracking code into your website. This is an instrumental addition to your toolkit, providing you with valuable data insights that can shape your business strategies. Don't forget, data is most powerful when you take action based on it, so engage with these insights regularly. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time on your journey to creating a smarter, more connected business.